The high-performance flooring visualizer tool allows you to see different resinous flooring systems using Sherwin-Williams standard and custom blends. This video shows how to locate the tool, design custom blends, and order samples using the tool. There are two ways to find the tool. Visit the high-performance flooring website and find it under the color menu, or access it directly by going to floorvisualizer.sherwin-williams.com. To begin using the visualizer tool, choose Upload a Photo or select one of the preloaded scenes. If you choose to upload a photo from your files, landscape orientation works best. You can then select a product ranging from flake, quartz, metallics, solid colors, or terrazzo. Choose from any of the available swatches. The image mapping tool will then map the floor area. You may then select a product to begin designing or select Edit Image to manually adjust the mapping and refine the floor area. Prompts will show you how to modify your design if needed. Select Save and Continue, and then select Save and Visualize to return and continue designing your project. You can create custom flake or quartz blends with the visualizer tool by choosing to upload a photo or selecting one of the preloaded scenes. Next, select either flake or quartz products and then Custom Blend. Next, choose your desired colors from the color palette or add a color to reopen the palette and choose more colors. Select a size and use the sliders to adjust the look of the floor. You can drag one slider to increase or decrease the percentage of a color used. The percentages will always add up to 100%, so make sure to select the lock icon to lock in a percentage and prevent it from automatically adjusting. Select Add Color to choose additional flake colors. You can also create custom terrazzo blends using the tool. Choose Upload a Photo or select one of the preloaded scenes to begin. Make sure to select terrazzo as a product and custom blend. Then select Add Color. First, choose your base color. Search by color family, Sherwin-Williams color name, or scroll through all selections. Select a color swatch. Next, choose aggregate size. You can choose from multiple sizes. Note that size 0 can only account for 80% of a mix. After choosing your size, pick your aggregate color. Search by marble type or scroll through all the selections. Select an aggregate swatch. Repeat these steps until your desired number of aggregates is achieved. Select Finish and Close. You can use the sliders to adjust the look of the floor and increase or decrease the percentage of the color used. Note that percentages will always add up to 100%. Size 0 can only add up to 80% of a blend and must include any combination of size 1 and/or size 2 equaling 20%. Select the lock to lock in a percentage and prevent it from automatically adjusting. You can also select Add Color to add additional aggregates. You can order samples while using the visualizer tool. Select Order Samples to add your design to your cart, or choose Continue Designing if you would like to create multiple samples. If you are ready to complete your request, choose Order Samples and select Submit. Your local sales rep will be in touch to confirm your sample request. Note that to save your designs and return to them, you must create a free account. We want to hear from you. Whether you would like to discuss an upcoming project, have questions on product selection, need technical assistance, or anything else, the Sherwin-Williams High Performance Flooring team is here to help you.